Oh, I'm Eva. We're going to go over my routines that have been helping me get rid of my acne. When I was a teenager, I had more so cystic acne that left scarring on my face, and as an adult, it's transitioned away from cystic acne more into like blackheads and whiteheads. And I really believe that most of them are caused by the safety equipment I wear at work, because where my safety glasses ride, where my winter gear and my masks are, is where I get like the most of my acne. I also do get hormonal acne, which I can't do anything about. It's just being a woman that gives you that yay. But my routine has been very, very simple. It actually only has 4 products. Before I get into it, I'd like to point out that I have very combination skin. I have areas that are very oily and like you could pour battery acid on my skin and it would not be bothered. There's other parts of my face though that are very dry and brittle and very sensitive. So I've been looking for routines through my years that are gentle enough that they don't irritate my skin, but aggressive enough that they actually clean out my pores properly. And I returned to a product that I'd forgotten about. Remember using this stuff when you were a teenager? The Clean and Clear? You know, it's just salicylic acid, it's inexpensive and it works great. Yeah, I went back to it. Because as long as you moisturize efficiently after using it, it works great, and it takes out a lot of the coke dust and dirt from my face when I'm working. So this is something I use first thing in the morning, and it's the first step of my night routine, just to really cleanse my skin appropriately. Quick, efficient, and inexpensive. First step. The second step of my morning routine is very simple. It's the vitamin E from the Body Shop. For all skin types, it's super gentle on my skin. I love it. On top of this, I would put a sunscreen, summer and winter. Trust me, wear your sunscreen. It is the secret of youth. I wish I had started wearing sunscreen when I was like 14 because it would have helped me. I've noticed my skin is doing much better now that I wear sunscreen every day, and it's making me happy to see that improvement. This is just a very light moisturizer that's great to wear throughout the day. It's not sticky or anything, and I love it so much. I think it was under $30, so totally worth it, because this bottle has lasted me, like, look at how little is gone. This thing has lasted me like a month and a half already. You barely use any, it's great. At night, I would start with my Clean and Clear, and then use 2 other products. And we're actually going to go through my night routine because it's nighttime. Clean and Clear. Obviously, you don't want to get this too close to your eyes because it is salicylic acid, but close to is not going to hurt you. The second product that I use is the ROCHE-POSAY HYALURONIC acid. I'm sorry that the bottle's blowing out. It's just the way the lighting works in this room. It's this really thick serum. I'm almost done this bottle, and I'd say I've had it for maybe 3 or 4 months of daily use, once or twice a day. So it has lasted quite a long time considering it's a $45 bottle. I ain't mad at how long it's lasted. Obviously it is a serum formula. It smells delightful. It just smells, I don't know, like clinically clean. And I love it very, very much. Hyaluronic acid is something that is naturally produced in the body, and it helps with collagen development along with vitamin E supplement, which is another thing that I put on my face, obviously, in the morning. So together, hopefully, they will keep me young forever. If not young forever, they at least make my skin feel very moisturized, and that's really what I'm going for. On top of the hyaluronic acid, I use the Tea Tree Mask by the Body Shop. Once again, sorry my camera blows every label out just because that's the way it is. This one is primarily tea tree oil based. There's a little bit of vitamin E and a little bit of hyaluronic acid in it. It looks creepy, I'll warn you. It just looks like this little pot of algae, but it smells strongly of tea tree oil, but the smell kind of goes away quickly. It's a little bit like a jelly consistency. A little goes a really long way with this. Like, as you can see, I'm not really putting a lot on. And you don't really need to put a thick mask of this stuff on because it does go so far. I think this product was also under the $50 mark. And I've been using this jar for probably a month and a half maybe, and I barely used any, and it is my nightly routine. Like, these products go a long way, which is why I don't really mind spending like up to $50 on them. I also realize that there's people out there who are probably like, oh, you're only spending $50 a product? And yes, because I try to find things that are frugal and very efficient, that work well with my skin. It's a hard balance to find, and I think if I can get it cheaper, I'm going to. That's my very simple winter skin repair routine. It's been working very well for me. I've been finding that I'm getting less and less of my scarring showing through, that my acne is going down, and that I'm happier with the pigment in my skin and the way it feels and looks every day. Obviously, throughout the week, I'll throw in like a nice little avocado mask or something if I'm feeling like that, and if I want to spend a little time pampering myself, but in general, this is kind of just what I've been doing, and my skin is thanking me for it. If you guys want to find any of these products, I will put their names down below. Anyways, I'm Eva. If you guys like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe so I can see you guys next time.